Now, I just want to tell you about a Muslim hero we had in Britain last year. And this man was nothing special. He wasn't a great imam. He wasn't a great scholar, just an ordinary human being. But you remember last summer we had very bad riots in London and in the cities of the United Kingdom. Destruction, anger, burning of property. And a young Muslim man was killed in Birmingham. And the boy's father came out onto the streets in the first shock of his grief to this ugly scene. People were about to fight and kill and tear one another apart on both sides. And he said, "Stop. Stop this. I don't want anybody else to suffer what I have suffered. I don't want anyone else to have that loss. We must make peace. We must live together." He came out night after night, and the people listened, and they went away. He lived in Birmingham is my hometown, and I know that this is a very rough part of the city, very rough indeed. He had called a meeting in that area of the people, and they all came, and he said, "We must stop this rioting, we must make peace, and we must use this tragedy to get on with one another." I cannot tell you the impact that made on the British community. I write articles about Islam being a good religion, but believe me, that man, that night, did far more to promote the spirit of Islam than all our learned articles. We had a ceremony to honor him, and the man, he looked utterly bewildered. He couldn't see what all the fuss was about. For him, it seemed quite natural to do this, but people saw what the faith of Islam could be. And when he was being honored, on the television, the news people said to him, "You see, if a politician had said that, what you had said, or if the mayor had said that, nobody would have listened. But they listened to you because they could see, they could respect your grief and your courage." We can all do, if we have an opportunity like that, what that man did that night. So we can all be a beacon of compassion to the world, taking the Prophet as our guide to bring peace to our troubled world. Thank you.